Start. We got tinted brows, bitch. Freaking fine.
Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Lately, why the sudden change?
Quarantine things. So I've been being a lazy bum the past like 2 weeks. I was supposed to film a transformation video like days ago, but I've been procrastinating, and then my room looks like utter shit. So right now I'm about to clean my room, wash my sheets, and transform from whatever the fuck this is. Like, what is going on? Like my face. Yeah, we're about to transform, bitches. So keep on watching.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, all my raps on the facts. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark.
So I just like finished cleaning the majority of my room. Don't look at my pillows, I have to wash them. But like I finished cleaning the majority of my room. I just have a little bit of stuff to pick up. Tip: if you want your room to smell like freaking amazing, so that every time your dick appointment come over, anytime your little boyfriend come over, he like, damn, your room smells so fucking good. Boom, wax melters. You buy you a little wax melter from Walmart. Buy you some wax cubes for $2. Bitch, these are my favorites. The vanilla cookie. My room smells delicious. Hey guys, oh, my skin looks great for once. I just got back from Walmart. I bought a whole bunch of stuff for this transformation. This transformation is basically gonna be like a cheap transformation because, you know, I'm broke. That's gonna be the theme. I'm broke. If you watched my last video, you know, like, I'm broke. So I just bought some stuff from Walmart. You guys will definitely see it because it will be getting incorporated into this haul. It is like, I think almost 7:30 right now. So I'm going to go cook some dinner. I think I'm gonna make spaghetti, and then I'm going to start our transformation. But ultimately this is going to happen majority tomorrow. Tonight's really just gonna be like the prep, which you'll see. So my room is clean. I'm washing my sheets right now, and I'm washing my clothes as well. Like, my sheets are in the dryer and my clothes are in the washer. So getting our life together, trying to at least. So I impulsively, not really impulsively, decided to take out my hair. It was much needed. My hair has grown, and my hair was very much shorter than this. I do need my ends cut. I can see like there's a whole bunch of spots on my ends that need to be cut or whatever, but I don't really care right now. It's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm just pulling it right now, trying to figure out if I want to wash it or wash it in the morning. It needs a deep conditioning mask and all that good stuff, but yeah, I took out my hair. So my skincare regimen. My shirt says strong, gifted, and black because that's what I am, and that's what you are if you are black. If you are not black, you are strong, gifted, and whatever race you identify as, you know? Woo! So, like I told you guys, I went to Walmart. I got this Just for Men beard color. Obviously, I don't have a beard. Oh, is my camera like fuzzy? We were a little fuzzy. Okay, so obviously I don't have a beard, but I have no eyebrows. So we're gonna be dyeing my eyebrows. I'm going to be doing this foot mask after I take a shower. And then I bought more hand soap because I was out of this hand soap. So we're gonna replace that right up there. Chuck that one in the trash can. And I'm gonna do my thing. I'm not gonna really talk about what I'm doing because I have a skincare video of my channel, and if you want to see that, I will have it linked up there. Trying to watch something while I do this. I'm also going to be whitening my teeth. I believe I've whitened my teeth before on my channel. I use the 5-minute speed whitening. You can get it at Walmart. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using to whiten my teeth.
I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, all my raps on the facts. They sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a.
So now I'm masking my feet. Got this mask from Walmart. Say hello to my feet, or my foot. This is the mask. It's a foot mask. You have to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. And yeah. Hey guys, so since we're in quarantine, I kind of look like a bum. I've kind of let myself go. These nails are part of the video, so I'm going to put my hands down so you guys don't really see them, but I talk with my hands, so this is going to be awkward. But like I was saying, since we're in quarantine, I've kind of let myself go. I look like a bum. I took out my braids and I washed my hair, you know, cut my hair. She growing, but not like I want to. Covering my forehead because I just did something stupid, and yeah. But we're going to transform because I'm tired of looking like a bum and I want to take some pictures.
Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. Got a little mix with me, either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life, I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the... When I die, put my money in the grave. I really got...
So I made this section like super thick because I've been waiting on it to dry. I took off my mouth because I was bored, but yeah, we're starting to crack. God, it's so satisfying. But yeah, I made this that thick, so I'm still waiting on it to dry. Still feels like it's wet. Oh God, it's gonna be so sad. It's so satisfying. See, I knew it wasn't ready yet, and I still did it. It's gonna be so satisfying. This whole thing is gonna be so satisfying. It looks so good. Ask the man if I want to. So this transformation is very much so fueled with the fact that I'm bored and the fact that I've become obsessed with TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I'll maybe put it right here if I remember. So we are going to shape my face like what all them girls have been doing. So I'm just gonna, yeah, y'all are gonna watch me shape my face. I don't have the stuff you actually need. So yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to use if I don't have aloe vera oil, gel, whatever the fuck they used. I'm thinking I can use soap and we gonna be okay. Okay, I got y'all propped up on something.
Put a couple niggas in their place. Really slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay pose with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good for a wave. Ain't about to die with no money out of baby. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top.
That looks so gross. Oh my God. If this works out, I'll do like a detailed video on how I do it, but yeah.
These niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. The Junior, Jasmine, BJ. Know what I got, my money in a couple figures kill the skull and collect. She fucking good and she on to the next. We living large, she ain't all with a Mac. These niggas think it's smaller than I'm on with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big clipper. I got the whip and it really no limit. Dead bookers and you nigga DNA. Ricky Spellers indicated with
This feels so smooth. Like my skin feels amazing. I need to put my nose ring back in. I need to moisturize my face now. So that's what I said to do. I'm gonna apply some witch hazel just to tone my face a little bit, and then I'm going to moisturize my face. Now we're gonna start my hair.
I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another leaf. Time to bend and run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer.
Are you guys seeing that? My skin looks like it just has like this new glow to it. So these are my brows, what they're looking like right now. And if you know me, you know I don't have brows. So this is a vast improvement. I'm about to put another layer on. I'm not propping anything up properly because these are very short clips. I won't prop anything up till like I do my makeup. You see my eyebrows though? Like, y'all know, because y'all know I don't have eyebrows. Y'all know. Anybody who watches my videos, y'all know a bitch ain't got eyebrows. Kind of. Even though I'm not, this is not a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, I could do one, but this is not that. That is not this.
Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out them eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the building truck about the street. Red gun, period, blood on my feet. I just been balling out every season. Know some niggas I left in the piece. I just been married.
Okay, so you guys couldn't hear it, but I was watching Brad Mondo. I always watch Brad Mondo. I love watching Brad Mondo. Brad Mondo. I don't think I'll ever give you a reason to react to one of my videos. So there's that. There goes that dream. But we got tinted brows, bitch. So the brows is on. The brows is on. I'm not gonna talk about what I use because that's a secret. Shh. If you want to know what I use, then you're gonna need to ask for a brow tinting video if you struggle like me with brows. Okay, so. And if you know, shh. I'm just kidding. I use Beard for Men. Or just for men. It's beard coloring. And I use the dark brown, I believe. Or the natural black. One of those colors. And this is what we're looking like. I've done this before, but I was using a brown. I guess that was too light. So it wasn't working. But this is what we're looking like. Obviously, it's really dark because this is just the coloring on it. And then I'm going to wipe it off. It's going to be way lighter. So, yeah, we're just going to leave that on. I usually leave it on for 10, 20 minutes. You don't really have to leave it on as long as I do. But I have no brows. So, we're trying to create brows as much as possible. And then, right now, I'm going to fix my nails because I messed them up.
The double cup, I gotta pour me a four inside another leader. Time depends and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out them eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Rap shit, I ain't gotta cap shit. I been getting keys like I'm LV. I'm in a two-seater with two bad bitches. Black and white, I'm finna have a seat. She wanna ride in the back, cause I been having them wreck. I ain't showing. She say I ain't got them wreck. Thought she know me better than that, but they ain't knowing. She say my BB.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts. They sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. I got a little mix with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life, I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the... When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a waist. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay close with a mask and a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I didn't pay. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top, these niggas want to swap.
So, I forgot to take my brows off. Yeah. Using a flushable wipe. So, this is what came off. This is what the brow looks like. So very much so lighter than what you start with. Not what you start with, than what like you put on, but darker than what you had. And now that I did that, because that's really all it takes, we're going to extract some blackheads.
Niggas wanna swap, niggas wanna swap like it's lost in the watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. The Junior, Jasmine, BJ, know what I got, but I'm clean. Couple figures to the store to collect. She fucking good and she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. These niggas think it's smaller than a man with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big cripple. I got the hook and it really no limit. Dead focus in you nigga DNA. Ricky spell is indicated with
season. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another liter. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking.
So this is my hair. Look, we transforming, baby. Okay, look, my makeup is done. I did my nails. I have a little surprise though. I'm gonna put on a fake tattoo. Where are my fake tattoos? I got these 2 fake tattoos. Both of them are Asian based. They're like dragons, and I was thinking of like, I don't know where I'm gonna put them actually, but I want them to be seen. Like, the point is for y'all to see them. Maybe like one like this, like just wrapping. No, or like this. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna do it together. Okay?
Ducking the birds in and out the Migos. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the building truck. Up out the street, red gut, period, blood on my feet. I just been balling out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the bleach. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another liter. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people. Ducking the birds in and out the Migos. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a D. Rap shit, I ain't gotta cap shit. I been getting keys like I'm LB. I'm in the 2-seater with 2 bad bitches. Black and white, I'm finna have a sleeper. She wanna ride in the back, cause I been having them racks. I ain't showing. She say I ain't got them racks. Thought you know me better than that, but they ain't knowing. She say my baby.
So this is the final look. We are freaking boing. Tattoos placement's a little off. Like, I could use another one like right here, but nonetheless I think it's cool. Yeah, so I got my Nubian necklace on from Pretty Little Thing. I got big hair. Makeup is serving the girls. Skin is soft, exfoliated, you know, because we don't let corona stop a body transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for me. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come watch my channel, because we need more subbies here. We need more subbies. But definitely let me know if you guys like this video and if you guys want me to do more transformations, because I had fun doing this for you guys. Don't forget to stay safe. Please stay safe away from COVID-19. Please stay indoors, social distancing, stay home. You guys know all the what's going on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. And definitely stay beautiful, my loves.